Continuing with day 12 of Advent of Code 2021. Simply fast recap. So far we've been solving the problems with in Go using ChatGPT. Now we can use GPT-4 and Bing, and of course some other tools like Copilot, etc. And let's give a try of solving the problem with Chat GPT or GPT-4 model. I'm copying my video here. Part 1. As always, we have input file that's specific for my input. We have our main Go file. We have our test file, and we have our prompt. And usually we start our prompts by saying that that the algorithms needs to know that we're in specific context, where the chatbot should think that let me delete that we are in a programming competition and we want to solve some problems. Let's start with this one. Okay, I'm setting some problem description even before to start. Count peaks, mountain heights. Oh, that's very interesting. Previously, I've been simply giving these instructions as simply telling the algorithm that we'll do that simply to give a context, and now we are getting problem description and so on. Like the algorithm is trying already to play the role of creating the problem itself. That's completely a new story. If you've been following my videos, you can see that that's dramatical change. But let's see how it's doing with our problem. Simply to make it easier, let me copy and paste the entire stuff. And what we've been doing here, our second prompt, we've been giving task, and we put usually the task in double quotes, and we've been giving previously instructions. Let me show what I mean with instructions. We were saying, okay, now that's the context, that's the task, and we were saying, okay, you have the task, we want from you to write a program that it's reading this file, blah blah blah, and we'll do exactly the same now. Let's see how GPT-4 is doing with the task. I'm really interested. I can see already that the behavior of the model is completely different. Let me write GPT-4 because we've been doing that with GPT-4. And let's see if we'll smash the problem. Okay, it's telling that couldn't read the file and so on. It's completely ignoring instruction that I want my programming go. And it's telling me to adapt that to Go. Okay, that's not so satisfying. Previously, I was able to get the solution directly in the language that I expected, but now with the new model, so to say, it's dual line, it doesn't solve really my problem. Let's try once again. Okay, it's telling me blah blah, how to do it in Go. Okay, so far seems reasonable. Already I can see dramatical change in behavior of what we've been doing previously and what is doing now. Let me do prompt 3. And the answer is this time more reasonable. Let's see if in reality we'll be able to solve really the problem, because so far just have a bunch of problems, blah blah blah. Let's look at the solution. I like that describe the problem and so on. Previously the description used to be very wishy-washy. Let's get our your puzzle input. That's our puzzle input, start end. And let me put this inputs, and let me grab my actual input to look like that start e. Okay, start end. Okay, let's see how does it I'm getting 10 when I try it with the sample input. Okay, I'm getting 10. Let me try with my real input to see if that's any better. As you can see here, now we're getting 4,000 and so on, and that seems to be a right solution. Thank you and see you in the next part. It seems like a GPT-4 it's quite able to solve this problem. See you in the next video. Bye.